All right, so let's talk about subtracting polynomials. The big thing that we have to realize here is that now we're having to deal with called distributing. So when we have a polynomial that we're going to subtract anything from, we're going to change that. So let's look at the problem that we have here. So here is our regular equation. So there's 6x squared plus 4x minus 2, and then minus what's in this second parentheses, 3x squared minus 7x plus 7. So what we're going to change is the subtraction sign, and the parentheses that follows means I must rewrite as addition. So this here gets changed to a plus sign. Then we're going to make this a negative, so it's going to be a minus 3x squared. We're going to change this to plus 2x, and we're going to change this to minus 7. So again, here's our original problem in bold. Then we're going to change this. So this first parenthesis stays the same. The rule of distribution tells me that I must, when I'm subtracting here, I must change what's between the first and the second parentheses in any subsequent parentheses. So this becomes now a plus sign. Now I'm going to add a minus in here. I'm going to change this. It becomes a plus. Then I'm going to change this, and this becomes a minus sign. So we've just changed it because we have to use the distribution rule. So then we're going to continue with the like terms like we have been doing for adding and subtracting, like we've been doing, okay? So x squared and x squared. So since this is now a minus, I must minus my 6x squared from my 3x squared. So then my next set of like terms is going to be my 4x and 2x. Now I must add these because right here it tells me I'm adding. And then my third one is going to be negative 2 minus 7. So here's my negative 2 and minus my 7 because I've changed these 4 right here. So then my equation is going to become 3x squared because I'm minusing these like terms plus 6x because I'm adding these like terms minus 9 because I have a negative 2 minus 7 here. So then my solution is 3x squared plus 6x minus 9. Now remember, distributing, we're going to be doing that here in subtracting, and we're also going to be doing it in multiplying. I know this starts to get a little bit confusing, but it is a rule that is specific to subtracting and multiplying polynomials, okay? We stay with the like terms, and we just now have to start dealing with distributing. So between our two sets of parentheses, whatever is there, if it's plus or minus, we're going to change it, okay? We're going to just flip it over and make it the opposite. Then whatever within those parentheses, we're going to change that to the opposite. If it was a plus, now it's a minus. If it was a minus, now it's a plus, okay? So everyone that's within that parentheses, however long it may be, we're going to do the opposite. We're going to stick with like terms, and we're just going to continue to solve that problem like we normally would. So page 340 is where we're doing these. 341 has all the examples too.